Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is HODL. So the myth around this word, it was supposed to be hold. So as somebody was writing like I'm holding my Bitcoin, he made this L and wrote I'm hodling my Bitcoin. So it was supposed to be hold, but yeah, it went on, like the legacy moved on after that guy making that mistake or grammar. He was trying to say I'm holding my Bitcoin and said I'm hodling my Bitcoin. So this is today's daily cipher word, HODL. As always, we line up the letters HODL. Then we find the corresponding Morse code. We find H you tap 4 times, tap. Then we find O is here, long press. So long press. Then we find D is this, long press, tap. D is long press, tap. Then we find L is tap, long press, tap. It's tap, long press, tap. Then let us get the phone and we enter the Morse code. It's going to be very simple. As always, click here on the second item, Daily Cipher, until this button turns red, and let us enter in the Morse code. We'll start with H, where we tap 4 times, 1 2 3 4. That's H. Then O, we long press 3 times. Then D, long press, tap. Then L, tap, long press, tap. And the word is HODL. Lastly, click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll see you in the next tutorial.